Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of The Perfect Heroine Wants to Possess Me, chapter 150. So here it is. Let's read the story. Next day, early morning, since the two of them slept together last night, well, this time, they seems to be happy. It's like they've been blessed by raising his mother last night. Even though her mother, it seems to know that Wei Xingyu and Jishao was there. We can really wait to see what's gonna happen. Now, she was surprised. Jishao was not on the bed when she wake up, and it really makes sense. She got really worried and said, Why? Why is Shisha is missing? After seeing that Shisha was not in the room, well, she stood up and trying to find her. Could it be that everything yesterday? Now she was thinking, if everything happened yesterday, it's true. Well, is this all just a dream of mine? Now, she was sad. Also, she thinks that everything is only a dream until she can see that Jishao in the kitchen. She was cooking something and said to her, You're awake. Well, it turns out her doubting it's really not true. Also, why are you wearing so little and barefoot? Jishao said to her. After this, oh, there's strict wifey that who's trying to control her. Well, let's see. Wei Xingyu. She looks really happy after knowing that Jishao was only in the kitchen and she's not leaving her. It makes sense. She grabbed her and hugged her tightly and said, Let me hug you. Oh, this girl, she is really acting like a baby. We know that she suffers a lot, not knowing that she really can remember her. But finally, after everything, now it turns out Jishao, she clearly remember about her fuss, also hers. Since she got really worried that she thinks that everything is a nightmare, now she's trying to cork herself by trying to hug her tightly. My biggest nightmare. Well, it really is. I can see you when I wake up. Oh, it turns out she was really worried about this. She thinks that Jishao at any time will go vanish and she can see her again. Well, after seeing that at this moment, Jishao, she looks really sad. Probably she was thinking how to coax Wei Xingyu at this time. But Jishao, she moved closer and she was caressing her head and said, No, I will never leave you again. So it's like a promise for her that she's trying to coax her, even though we know that there's a things that maybe it's gonna happen, but the worriness of the two of them, it's really make them special. During the past 5 years I was away, she must had a hard time. Do you want to sleep a little longer? I used yesterday chicken soup to make a white porridge, which will be ready soon. Chisho said, but Wei Xingyu, she was screaming and said she don't want. Oh, our girl, she don't want to eat a porridge. Well, definitely. Chisho, she got really forgotten about this. How about you lie down on the sofa for a while? That way you can always see me. Chisho said Wei Xingyu. Well, Wei Xingyu. Only realizing I'm only 5 light years away from Jishao. Well, on actual distance, it was 5 meters, and then she was thinking, definitely, she's really getting tricky and also overreacted over her since she don't want to leave her on her side. Now she was laughing. She really can't think anything until suddenly she wanted to trick her. Well, Wei Xingyu, she got carried by Jisho itself. What do you think? Where's she going to place? Since she was cooking, well, probably she don't want to get interrupted by Wei Xingyu at this moment. I promise it will be fine soon. Jisho said to Wei Xingyu. Now she was carrying her and putting her on the sofa. Well, the baby, it's really pampered. We can really wait to see what's gonna happen more in the future since the relationship is really getting better. Well, she don't want to leave her on her side. Wei Xingyu, she becomes sticky. Chisao, she was holding hers and said, "Don't go." Well, Wei Xingyu, it seems that she is becoming possessive over her. She don't want to let her on her side, even though Chisha was there. Then you promised me at that time. She seems to, well, you want to be one. Clearly, she really remembers everything from the past. Now it makes sense, and it really saddened her. Chisha said, oh, since she wanted to coax her, of course, she stayed by the side of Wei Xingyu until she kissed her on the forehead and said, "Don't worry, I'm right by her side." Well, this like a promise that she will not leave her or she will never leave her alone. After a while, finally, the food is already cooked. Well, let's hope that Wei Xingyu can really eat that. Also, everything seems to be fine, also smoothly. You're going to have a book of signing for your book of silent of rose flower, and you're definitely going to be busy. Chisho said the way sing you. Well, finally, her dream. It's already coming true. The perfect job for her, and also the things that she really wanted in this life without hesitation. It's okay. I get off work early today. Chisho, Mishi, this is your customized peach brandy perfume. If you have any needs, please feel free to contact us. Okay, I leave now, Chisho said to the lady. So it turns out she has a customized perfume. Well, could it be that she was going to give it to a Xingyu? Well, it really makes sense. Perhaps the perfume is a pheromone. Wei Xingyu would probably like it too. Well, Chisha surely thinks so much. Now it makes sense. She's really getting sweeter over Wei Xingyu until when she's going to leave, she can see that there's a cool two rings or probably a couple ring that maybe she got really interested on. Now Chisha, she come closer to see this ring is so beautiful it fits a story. Well, she can really portray that the ring is relevant for the two of them. Well, could it be that she's going to buy it, although there's no good reasons yet, but sooner or later, oh, is she thinking, is she going to propose the way seeing you, probably in the future, but now, seeing the ring, it really makes sense to her. I'll put it on Wei Xingyu's hand. Well, she is really confident on herself. Well, let's see what's gonna happen. Since this really interesting topic, we can really wait to see what's gonna happen next week for the new chapter's release. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!